Okay, so we're going to solve this Pythagoras puzzle. Just looking at the puzzle, we've got very little information towards the square where we're trying to find the area of. The puzzle is saying, what is the area of the square? So we'll start where we've got the most information on triangles. So we've got that right down here. We've got 3 and 4, and I'm going to work out this side here. So I'll call this side x here, and I will say that x squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, and then working that out, x squared equals 9 plus 16, x squared equals 25. So I've worked that out. X must be equal to 5. So I'm going to put that in 5. Okay. Centimeters. So now I've got a new triangle. Now actually this tells us a little bit about this triangle, because this triangle, it just so happens, is not to scale but has got 2 sides of length 5. Now 5 and 5, that makes this a certain type of triangle. I think it's an isosceles triangle as well as right angle. So now we've got 5 and 5. Let's do that here, and we'll call this y because we worked out that was x. We'll work out this length here, y. So y squared equals 5 squared plus 5 squared. Y squared equals 25 plus 25. So y is equal to the square root of 50. Now I'm not going to simplify that. I'm not going to work it out to 3 significant figures just yet, because I know I've got to use y squared later on. So I'm just going to write here root 50. Leave it as an exact answer sometimes, because it's in the middle of a question. So the last part is saying I need to work out this triangle and work through this to get this last bit here. So let's call this Z. So now this is another type of triangle. So we've got root 50 or squared. Yeah. Right, actually, I'll use my y's and z's to start with. I'll say y squared equals z squared plus 7 squared. Okay, and I know what y squared is because I've got that over here. Y squared is 50 because y is root 50. So y squared is 50. 50 equals z squared. Well, what's z squared? We don't know. Z squared plus 7 squared is 49. 49. Right, so 50 is z squared plus 49. So z squared must be equal to 1 equals z squared. So z must be equal to 1. But we've been asked for the area of the triangle of the square. This is quite a boring puzzle because we've got 1 times 1, so the area is 1 centimetre squared. It is definitely not drawn to scale. Yeah? Okay, any questions?